What is up, guys? Do you own a Harley Davidson? If so, you know that the turn signal lights that come with it, and some of the headlights even still on the newer models, are monofilament, meaning that they're not LED, they're filament light bulbs, like these. So today, we're gonna fix that. So all we're gonna need to do this is some LED light bulbs and a flathead screwdriver. You can replace the lens caps, which I'm choosing to do now, which are these black smoke ones, but you don't have to. You can use your OEM lens caps. So let's go ahead and swap them out, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, you're gonna look at your lens caps, and you're gonna find that little divot there. The reason we're in flathead is because it'll fit perfectly into that little divot. You're just going to wedge it in there and then twist. There it is. Now once you get that lens cap off, you'll be able to see your actual bulb. All you're going to do is push in a little bit and twist, and the bulb will come right out. Now this is what your LED is going to look like without its lens. But if you notice, this piece of the LED and this piece of the monofilament look exactly the same. So that's what we're going to use to put in. Now this piece takes some finagling. Just like when you were taking it out, you're going to push and then twist. Alrighty guys, once you get them seated in their sockets, I'm just going to put all that cabling behind it. Set that right there. And as you guys can see, well, you can't see because it's so bright in the video, but this is just a ring around the edge. When I turn the turn signal on, it goes back to the ring around the edge. But yeah, guys, that's how you install LED turn signals. Hope you found the video helpful.